give them constant supervision. They always have somebody with them who's an adult. So their host family will bring them to the school in the morning. Then if they do an activity in the afternoon, they go with a representative from Lingua who is with them all the time. And then after the activity, the host family will come for them. It is 24-hour supervision that is compulsory. Everyone with a child under 12 must have this supervision for their own safety. Send a taxi for them or a bus, depends on the number of students. But with the children, the host family will pick them up from the airport and will take them to the airport on their way back. Except for Monday morning when students come and do the test. Now we will be having an online test, so probably the system will finish. But the lessons start at 9 till 10:30, then there's half an hour break, and then they have from 11 to 12:30. And then they have 11 to 12:30, and that is the standard 20-hour-a-week course. And then for the hours that you increase, 30 hours a week or one-to-one courses, and then the lessons run into the afternoon. We will also be having a new system for 2009, where lessons will start in the afternoon. Some lessons will start in the morning and some will start in the afternoon. So the afternoon lessons will probably start at about 1 o'clock till 2:30, and then 3 o'clock till 4:30. That they have come up with over a number of years. We have our own special books which are made in Switzerland, and what the lessons do is they tend to follow the course book. The lessons aren't structured grammar in the morning and fluency in the afternoon. It follows the textbook, which gives a variety of activities to do, including grammar activities, including speaking and reading. We focus a lot on speech, because to learn a language you must speak it. Also, a lot of other schools have one different teacher for the morning and one different teacher for the afternoon. We have one teacher for the whole day. That way the teacher gets to know the student better, monitors all the progress, and can really help the student fulfill their best potential.